Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the MG217 Psoriasis Medicated Conditioning 3 Coal Tar Shampoo, 8 ounces bottle. Wet hair, and massage a quarter-size blob of shampoo into your scalp, gently lifting the loose flakes with the tips of your fingers. After that, go to 3 or 4 times a week, until you get it under control. For anyone who has had psoriasis like this, you know how miserable it can be. After many visits to dermatologists, sunburns with a UVB lamp, methotrexate, and steroids, he had given up hope of ever looking normal again. Now he only has 2 spots, both smaller than the diameter of a pencil eraser, one on his knee, and one behind his ear. Don't expect immediate results, but do expect a slow 3 months gradual healing that does pretty good at staying under control. For a lack of flakes, and no itching, the slight smell is well worth it. It does smell pretty nasty though, and you might want to follow up with your normal shampoo to remove the odor. The description says pleasant herbal scent, but it smells terrible, which is to be expected with a tar shampoo. So far it's working pretty well. The only con is the smell is pretty strong. All of these shampoos have a bit of the coal tar odor, but this is not bad at all. If you're not seeing results after 2 months, go see your dermatologist, or make an appointment with one. Another popular product containing coal tar is Neutrogena T-Gel, which contains 1 coal tar, and provided me some relief. Best medicated shampoo for psoriasis, eczema, and itchy scalp. If you have this problem, especially in the fall and winter months, it works well for dandruff, but has a medicinal odor that stays with you all day. Love this shampoo. It has completely healed the flaking and itching when nothing else worked. It was not worsened, but the idea was to make it go away, and it has failed to do so. It leaves his hair a lot softer, and helps his hair remain less flaky and itchy. Makes your scalp feel nice and smooth. Really works along with the MG217 tar ointment. Great products, highly recommend to all. Beware of the other brands, as they have less, or try to fake it by saying it has 3 of some other ingredient. It does have a bit of a smell, and coal tar is apparently a carcinogen, which is frankly a little concerning, but apart from that, definitely worth the price. Sure beats the price of the prescription stuff, and took away the psoriasis in 30 days. It's a small issue, but one that probably should have been solved with their supplier by now. Coal tar is keratoplastic. It makes the skin to shed dead cells, and slows down the growth of skin cells. He also has pandas, so when it flares, the scaly spots on his head get way worse. But the prescription shampoo had stopped working, and with this latest flare, the scaly spots on his head had gotten so big they were almost touching, and were visible through his super thick hair. 2 doses later, and the spots on his head are the smallest they have been in recent memory. Hair oils are another option. Lightweight oils made to put on dry or wet hair. A friend who is a hairdresser gave me a bottle of MG217 and asked me to try it. It has unpleasant tar smell for sure, and it is there even after the hair dries. It isn't very thick when it comes out of the bottle, but it does the job, and ultimately don't care to thicken it, would rather have less ingredients. This is the only shampoo that addresses what it claims to address, and handles seborrheic dermatitis well. So while shampoos like this are not a cure, they really help treat the symptoms and calm them down. You do have to really work it into your scalp, and then let it sit for a few minutes to get the full effect. It's not a 100 fix-it product, but it is worth buying and giving it a try. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.